Hey guys, it's Maxine. Thanks for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to revive my hair. It's looking dull, it's knotty. I have to do a scalp treatment on my hair because a lot of times on my scalp I get like buildup and dandruffy and I just need to do a scalp treatment. It is definitely time to do that. And I also want to do a deep conditioning on my hair, deep conditioning treatment, because I have long hair and I like to keep it really healthy, but it's so important to do deep conditionings on your hair. From time to time. I used to do them a lot more often when I was growing my hair. Now that it's super long, I like slack and neglect my hair, but deep conditioning treatments are so important. And I'm going to show you guys like what products I use to keep my hair healthy. And I do switch out my products sometimes, but in today's video, I'm going to be using the Biolage Scalp Sink, and this is going on my scalp to remove any of the buildup, and it just purifies your scalp and just helps to get rid of any buildup. And then for the mask, I'm going to be using the Olaplex 4-in-1 deep conditioning mask, and I'll be shampooing and conditioning with Olaplex as well. I'm going to start off by taking out my hair and detangling it a bit. It's really knotty, so it's like kind of knotty in here because it's been up for a couple days. So I'm just going to detangle it with a wet brush because it's very gentle on the hair, and I'm starting at the ends, and then I'll move on to the scalp treatment. Okay, it's looking crazy. It's all detangled, and I'm just gonna go through and put this all over my roots. I get a lot of buildup on my scalp, especially in the winter time, because my scalp just gets really dry. So in the winter, I feel like I have to like keep my scalp healthy, but in the summer, I don't really have to deal with it as much because it's so humid in the air and my scalp doesn't really get as dry. But it's like, if you want long and healthy hair, it is so important to make sure your scalp stays healthy. So this is going to purify it and just clarify it and just help make sure it stays in a nice healthy state. So I'm just going to put this all throughout my roots. And the directions say to keep it on for 15 minutes. So once I get this all on, I'm going to put a cap on and let it sit for like 15-20 minutes. Oh my God, it's dripping down my head. Especially when you have dark hair, having dandruff sucks because you can see it a lot easier, you know? But really, dandruff is just a dry scalp and product buildup and stuff from like hairspray and whatever. So I just started noticing the dandruff coming back like a week or two ago, and I was just like, okay, I got to do something about that because I don't always have it, but in the winter it will kind of pop up and then I have to deal with it. But yeah, and it honestly feels so good to take care of your scalp. Like even in the shower when I'm scrubbing my hair with shampoo, I love to just like get in there really good and scrub my hair, because that's how you're supposed to shampoo your hair anyway. You're supposed to really scrub your scalp and make sure it stays nice and clean. But doing like a treatment on my scalp just makes me feel like I'm at the spa. Like it just makes me feel like I'm doing some good self-care and I'm making myself priority. So I just like when I put in the extra effort and actually do something extra like this. It makes me feel like I'm actually taking care of myself. So I definitely encourage anybody who puts themselves second to just, you know, try to get up and do something self-care as soon as you can, because it really does make you feel better when you're all done. It's not like right now my baby's napping. I so badly want to do other things right now and like straighten up my house or honestly just relax. It took me so long to get her down for a nap today because we had an event at her school. So she was like all hyped and she just wanted to keep playing when we got home. And she, you know, had her food and her snack and she just kept wanting to like play. And so I finally got her in for a nap. I so badly just want to like hang out right now and just relax. But I'm like, you know what? I really have to do this. So I'm just putting myself first and taking care of it. So you should do the same, and I encourage that. And I hope you guys can do all this self-care stuff with me too, because you know, you're not alone in this. Like if you're a mom and you're putting yourself second, you're not alone. There's a million moms out here who can all relate. So I had my mom bun for a couple of days. It was up in a bun and I just like didn't even care. I wasn't even brushing it. Just kept like redoing the bun. But today I was like, nope, nope, we're not doing that anymore. We are doing the scalp treatment and deep conditioning the ends and fixing ourselves. All right, so just make like the top part by the part is like the worst for me, so I'm just gonna make sure it's good. It's like dripping down my neck, so that's fun. Okay. It smells really good too, this Biolage product. I'm gonna try to link all the products, so check out my description box, my Amazon storefront. You might be able to find this on there if I can find the link for it. But so yeah, I'm just gonna massage it through and throw it up. And it says 15 minutes, so I don't know, when the directions say a certain time, I usually leave it on there for like at least 5 extra minutes at least. Because it's a lot of work to do this in the first place. I want to get, you know, it all, I want to make sure it's all working its magic. So I'm going to grab a clip. And I'm just going to use a processing cap. There. Oh, it'd be nice if I can get it on my head. All right. And the processing cap will lock in the heat from your hair. It doesn't say to use this. This is just something that I do from experience. But the heat from your scalp will lock into this shower cap, processing cap, and it'll just open up your hair's cuticle. And my scalp will be able to absorb the product more, and it's just, and it also keeps it like off of your furniture, off your couch. Like I could lay back on a pillow and just relax and not have to worry about the wetness like getting on anything. But so yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for like 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna really scrub my hair and shampoo it like crazy. So I just washed it all out and I scrubbed my scalp really, really good, and then I conditioned the ends. And now I'm gonna be putting in this Olaplex. I'm gonna comb it out first. So I just fully detangled it, and now I'm just gonna squeeze out the extra moisture. I feel like I don't see any buildup or dandruff anymore. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, let me see. No more buildup or dandruff, perfectly clean scalp. And then I conditioned the ends. Now I'm squeezing out the moisture. It's also really important, by the way, if you want like really long, healthy hair, when you're towel drying your hair, to not like friction, like cause friction on your ends, because you can damage your hair's cuticle. So you just want to like squeeze the ends. And this is the Olaplex 4-in-1. I'm just gonna pump a bunch of this. It says 1 to 3 pumps, but I have a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna work it all in, and definitely putting it on my roots and scalp also, because I want all of my hair to be hydrated. So I'm gonna comb it all through also once I get this on. How long does it say to leave this on for? 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll probably leave it on for a little bit longer because that's what I like to do. And I'll probably leave it on for like 20 minutes. And I already just like love the way it makes my hair feel. Sometimes you just need like that extra help with hydrating your hair. And this Olaplex smells so good. All of their products smell amazing. But I like to also put the conditioners through my scalp as well, because like I said, I struggle with a dry scalp in the winter. Just a little, like it's just whatever I have left over on my fingers. I'll just kind of massage it through my scalp, because I'm not just trying to like do a deep conditioning treatment on my hair. It's also trying to do it on my scalp as well. So, and I feel like I got a lot on here. I'm gonna comb it all through. And you can already like, just see how silky it looks. I just love when I actually take care of my hair. You can already see like all the shine coming back to my hair. Needed this so bad. So I just worked it all through. Now I'm gonna clip it up. And pop this cap on for another 20 minutes. And then this just says I could rinse it out of the hair. So I gotta charge my baby monitor. So this says I could just rinse it out of the hair. So in 20 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it out. After all of that, my hair finally has some life back to it. I'm going to put a little bit of the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. And I'm so glad I did this. My hair feels so hydrated and finally shiny again. And it just feels like it has like life back to it. So I definitely recommend these products if you're looking to like liven up your hair again. I hope this video encouraged you guys to do some self-care on yourself because I'm sure you guys deserve it too. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you liked it, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.